Are you ready to transform your website into a powerful representation of your brand? Let's explore the innovative concept of white labeling with Webydo that can elevate your business image. White labeling allows you to completely remove Webydo's name from your site and showcase your own brand instead. In your Webydo dashboard, finding the My Branding section is the first step towards personalization. Simply check the box to remove all Webydo references from the HTML code of your new sites. Want to enhance your dashboard's appearance? Upload your unique logo in the Custom Brand section right away. Imagine your login page displaying your brand, not Webydo. Change the URL to reflect your identity seamlessly. Adding a special help widget can empower your clients, giving them the support they need under your brand name. This customization ensures your clients see your brand, reinforcing your identity throughout their experience. With Webydo, your branding needs are fully supported, making your design agency stand out in a crowded market.